Hello everybody, this is Soumya. Welcome to my channel. We already know that communication is an integral part of business. Today I will discuss about the importance of communication in business. Through different points, I will highlight the importance of communication in business. The first point is exchanging information. Through communication, organizations exchange information with internal and external parties. Communication also brings dynamism in organizational activities and helps in attaining goals. The second one is preparing plans and policies. Communication helps in preparing organizational plans and policies. The managers collect required information from reliable sources through communication to make plans. The third one is execution of plans and policies. For timely implementation of plans and policies, managers must disseminate those in the whole organization. Fourth one is increasing employees' efficiency. Communication also helps in increasing the efficiency of employees. With the help of communication, organizational objectives, plans, policies, rules, directives, and other complex matters explained to the employees that broaden their knowledge and thus help them to be efficient. The fifth one is achieving the organizational goals. Effective communication helps the employees at all levels to be conscious and attentive. Sixth one is solving the problems. Through various communication channels, the managers can be informed of various routine and non-time problems of the organization, and accordingly they take the necessary actions of steps to solve the problems. The next one is making right decisions. Making the timely decisions requires updated information. Through effective communication, managers can collect information from different corners and can make the right decisions. The next one is improving industrial relation. Industrial relation is the relation between workers and management in the workplace. Good industrial relation is always desired for business success. Communication always plays a vital role in creating and maintaining good industrial relation. The next one is publicity of goods and services. In the modern age, business is becoming highly competitive. Almost very competing manufacturers produces product of common consumption. However, all of them cannot sell equally well. The organization that can communicate better can also sell better. The next one is removing controversies. Effective communication allows smooth flow of information among various parties involved in the negotiation or transaction. As a result, conflicts, controversies, and disagreements can be resolved easily. The next one is enhancing employee satisfaction. If there is free and fair flow of information in the organization, it will certainly bring mutual understanding between management and workers. Such understanding enhances the satisfaction of employees. The next one is enhancing the loyalty. Effective communication helps the managers to be aware of the performance of their subordinates. In such a situation, the subordinates try to show their good performance. Later on, if management praises their performance, it will enhance employees' loyalty. Thus, business communication serves as the link between all the departments and functions of the organization. I think you people basically understand what is the importance of business communication. In the next class, we will discuss more. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.